Are you looking for the best flip phones? In this video we will look at some of the 3 best flip phones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. While other flip phones are rapidly closing the quality gap, the Galaxy Z Flip 6's refined hardware, flagship-tier components, and high-quality camera system elevates the device above the rest. The result is a similar level of polish to its more established flagships. Powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor with generous RAM and storage, the Z Flip 6 handles all sorts of tasks like social media, video editing, and more. Samsung's promise of 7 years of OS and security updates ensures long-term performance, making it a solid investment that will remain up-to-date over the course of its life cycle. The Z Flip 6 also boasts the category's best camera system, upholding Samsung's reputation for exceptional mobile photography. Throw in an all-day battery and you have a very solid set of core specs here. If you've never used a Z Flip device, it offers a lot of clever functionality that take advantage of the inner and cover displays. For instance, when the phone is partially folded and placed upright, the device activates a flex mode, a powerful multitasking feature that makes it easy to run 2 apps simultaneously in a split-screen layout. It also enables additional functionality in certain apps. For example, if you're watching a YouTube video, Flex Mode will play the video in the top half of the display and show media controls in the bottom half. The Z Flip's biggest drawback is pretty simple: Samsung only lets you use a handful of apps on the cover screen out of the box. Yes, you can unlock more apps, but it takes more technical know-how than most of us have time for. That said, don't let this one overshadow what's great about this phone. Number 2. Motorola Razr, 2024. Don't let the more affordable price tag fool you. The standard Motorola Razr is anything but cheap. This smaller sibling in Motorola's flip phone lineup captures the essence of the pricier Razr Plus, below, including the durable frame and reliable hinge mechanism. It also features a spacious 3.6-inch cover display, allowing you to reply to messages, access Google Maps, play games, and more without opening the device. One of our favorite things about any Motorola device is its refreshingly clean approach to software. While many manufacturers load their phones with bloated Android skins, Motorola sticks close to stock Android. The result is an intuitive, uncluttered experience that feels natural from day one. Moreover, Motorola adds some thoughtful touches that make the experience more user-friendly. The brand's signature gesture controls, like the double karate chop to activate the flashlight or the quick wrist twist to launch the camera, are simple to use. However, there are a few compromises. The dual camera system produces decent photos in good lighting conditions, as most modern phones do, but struggles significantly in low light. For casual photography, it's adequate, but you'll notice its limitations. The processor is also slower, which could impact performance when using more intensive apps. Despite these drawbacks, the Razr delivers fantastic value. If camera quality isn't your top priority, this phone offers a premium foldable experience that feels far more expensive than it actually is. Number 3. Motorola Razr Plus, 2024. Samsung may dominate the flip phone market, but the 2024 Motorola Razr Plus gives the Galaxy Z Flip 6 serious competition. Its 6.9-inch inner display boasts an impressive 165 Hz refresh rate, delivering buttery smooth visuals for gaming. Trust me, once you experience it, screens with slower refresh rates look ancient by comparison. The real conversation starter is the 4-inch cover display that practically takes over the entire front panel. The expansive external display isn't just big, it's genuinely useful, letting you handle notifications, run full apps, and fire off quick replies without needing to unfold the device. Under the hood, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor paired with a generous 12 GB of RAM ensures the Razr Plus offers the performance to match its great design. Switching between apps feels instantaneous, and even the most demanding games run without breaking a sweat. Perhaps the best feature is the device's battery life. It lasts a full day of moderate use. When it eventually needs juice, the 45-watt fast charging means you can replenish the battery quickly. That said, the cameras are a weak point. While they perform well in good lighting, they struggle in low light situations. All things considered, the Razr Plus is a great update over its predecessor while maintaining the same price. Unfortunately, Motorola is only offering 4 years of software updates, which lags behind Samsung's promised 7 years. For those who upgrade their phones every few years anyway, this shorter support window won't matter much.